4 DRC V9 New Mini Drone 4K 1080p HD Camera Wi-Fi FPV Air Pressure Altitude Hold Grey Foldable Quadcopter RC Drone. Item No. 4D V9 version with 0.3 MP 480p camera with 1080p 5.0 MP camera with 4K camera optional. Gyro 6-axis. Frequency 2.4G. Channel 4CH. Motor 716 brushed cordless motor. Battery 3.7V 800 mAh LiPo battery included. Transmitter power 3x AA battery not included. Flight time about 15 minutes. Charging time 40 minutes. RC distance 80 m. FPV distance 50 m. FPV Wi-Fi. Resolution 30W 480p 500W 1080p 4K. Features. With altitude hold mode function, flight is stable. In headless mode, there is no need to adjust the position of the aircraft before flying. Easily find your way home using the one-button back function. Built-in 30W pixel 500W pixel 4K pixel HD camera. Surprisingly, it can capture stunning pictures and videos from the sky. With Wi-Fi function, it can be connected to applications, APK system and take photos, videos and real-time transmission through mobile phone camera images. Draw a flight path on the screen. The drone will fly autonomously along the specified path. 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology. 4 channels for ascent, descent, forward, backward, left flight, right flight and 360° roll. 6-axis gyroscope, smoother flight and more convenient control. LED lights make flying more spectacular, especially in the dark. Functions up down, forward back, left right turn, side flight, LED light, headless mode, one button auto return, altitude hold mode, Wi-Fi FPV. Package included 1X drone, 1X remote control, 1X 3.7 V 800 mAh battery, 1X USB charging cable, 4X spare blade, 4X protection cover, 1X manual. For more information, description links. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.